Hey world! So today we're going to be having a little stationery haul for back to school. So the first thing I got is this composition notebook made by 5 Star, and it is college ruled, and I got this for English class because generally English class requires a composition notebook. I also got some spiral bound notebooks that are college ruled, and they are in dark green, blue, purple, and white. And I got these just for my regular basic common core subjects. I also got a graph notebook in light green for math. So next up we have the Papermate Clear Point pencils. I got a 6-pack, and these have a 0.7mm lead size, and these are really nice. I like them because they have this twistable eraser and the way the lead advances on the side rather than the top. So here I'm just swatching out all of the different pencils. These pencils are really nice, and they write nice and smoothly and pretty comfortable to hold, so I definitely recommend them if you are looking into mechanical pencils to buy. So next up, for these mechanical pencils, I got some lead so that I could refill them if I need to. So the next thing I got was this 22 set of Papermate inked wedge gel pens in the 0.7mm. They made new colors, so I'm excited to see those colors. I really like these pens because they're really smooth and they dry relatively quickly. They dry quickly enough for me, so that's a really nice thing. I will be making a review on these next week, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when that comes out, so that you can get a full-on review on whether or not you should buy these pens. So here I'm just rainbowizing them, and as you can see there's a lot of colors and a lot of different unique colors. So here's a close-up of the pen itself. It's just an average pen. There is no grip, but the whole entire thing is made of like a rubbery kind of body. It's hard, but it's still a rubberyish body. So here I just did some swatches, and as you can see there's a lot of blues, not as many of the other colors but there is a lot of blues, quite a few purple and pinks. So I mean, the color selection, it could have been a little bit more spread out, but I still think that there's a lot of really pretty colors in here. Now the next thing I got are the zebra eyeliners, and I've been wanting to get these for quite some time now, so I'm so excited that I finally have some. So now that I got them, I'm really excited to use them because these are really famous for their beautiful colors, and I got 15 of the 25 available colors, and from the looks of it they look really nice, and I really did like them. The colors are pretty. The pink and the orange and the yellow, they're pretty neon compared to what their caps look like, but they're still like lighter versions of the neon highlighters. And these markers have 2 tips. They have the normal chisel tip that every highlighter has for highlighting words, and they also have a fine tip which is good for drawing diagrams or underlining or writing. And so you can really get a lot of use out of these. You can use them for highlighting, for coloring, for writing, underlining, drawing. So these have a large variety of uses. Some of the colors were a little bit dark though for a highlighter, so I don't see how that could be really used for a highlighter, but nonetheless they were pretty good. So now I got some whiteout tapes from Five Below, and these were $1 each, so they were pretty cheap, and so far they were pretty okay. They were just like your average whiteout, and I really like how the cap can fit onto the back of the whiteout.
So yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's haul. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified every time I make a new video on every Monday, and hit the like button so that more people can see this video. Make sure to subscribe, as I will be making reviews on some of the stuff in future videos, and remember to have a happy Monday. Bye!